Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create stylish picture frame in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote, then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I create stylish picture frame in this presentation. At first I have to insert an image. Click this image option and press choose media. Now find your image, then press open. Now resize this image. Now I add stylish picture frame. At first select this picture frame, then click show or hide format style option. Now you can see here are border option. Click these borders and choose borders drop down menu and find picture frame. Now click this frame drop down menu and now you can see here are many picture frame. Now I choose this one or this one. Now click outside of this image. Now you can see I create stylish picture frame in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.